Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of setting a new profile photo on Facebook using your PC, especially after the latest updates. Having a great profile picture is essential for making your online presence more personal and inviting. So let's dive right in. First, start by opening your browser and going to the Facebook website. Log in to your account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your news feed. From there, click on your profile name or picture at the top of the screen to access your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to update your picture. Look for your current profile picture and click on it. This action will open a few options for you to choose from. Next, select Update Profile Picture. This will take you to the photo selection screen, where you can browse your files to find the perfect image. Once you've found a photo you love, click on it and then hit Open. This will upload your chosen photo for your profile. Finally, confirm the step to save your changes. Your new profile picture will now be updated on your Facebook profile, ready for all your friends and followers to see. And that's it. You've successfully updated your profile photo on Facebook using your PC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.